Previously, we had discussed how to draw a line. So we have two bare lines here and we don't have any details of it. So we'll add a dimension detail to this bare line. So how to add it? You have to just pan here to your tool ribbon section. Inside the tool ribbon, you find this annotation section. In annotation, you can pick this linear option, linear dimension style, specify the start point, the second point. So we intended to add some details to it. It is not adding any details, right? We just zoom in. It is just mentioning 480 and we don't know which units it is following, right? So we need to change this. So how to change this? Again, go back to the annotation section here. Click on this annotation section. You'll find four options, right? So this is text style, dimension style, multi-leader style, and table style. You need to click on dimension style. Here. So this is the style. The standard is the style which is followed by my present drawing. You need to modify this. Just press on modify. It will lead to another window. You need to pan to this primary units, and in unit format you change it to engineering. This is the same unit format you have followed for the drawing. So precision, we change it to 0 feet and 0 inches. So press OK and close. Now you can see the dimension which you have intended to see. Same thing you are seeing, 40 feet, but still it is way too smaller, right? Your dimension text is way too smaller and the extent or the arrows are way too smaller. You need to change this. So how to change this? Go back to annotation, go back to your dimension style, modify this. Here you need to increase the text height. Increase the text height to somewhere between 1 feet. And go to symbols and arrows. Here you increase the arrow size to again 1 feet. Press OK and close it. Now you can see your text height has become bigger and your arrow size is also convincing.